Enjoy po ako, ma'am. Thank you.
Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, the pinpoint from the other country.
Metro Manila, Metro City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Sabuti, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque.
From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City.
Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna.
Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Alay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon.
And we add the islands more, Mindoro, Manrique, Romblon, then down to Visayan shore, famous for sugar, coconut, and corn.
Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi,
Bohol, Samar, Leyte,
Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique,
Palawan, Negros, Bacolod,
Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of France, the land of Mindanao.
Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambadyao, Bugtukan, ang Surigao.
Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Misamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao.
Davao Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Surigao, Sawi-Tawi.
Philippines has a good history.
Manila is the capital city.
All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is the